Hey everyone, Set It Are Your Cars. We've got this 2013 63 registered Audi A8. It's a Sport Executive. It's done 73,000 miles. It's finished in emerald black. I think it's got 5 services with it. It's got a really nice spec. It's got the LED matrix lights, the 5-segment alloys, which are all marked. We've got Pirelli P0 tyres on, I do believe. It's got the Valcona Comfort Sport seats, Bose audio, privacy glass. Very tidy on the body, as you can see. Drives exceptionally well. It's got front and rear parking sensors with surround view cameras or top view camera. So you've got front, rear and side cameras. Bridge number there to carry out any checks. There's a little mark on the chrome there. Not particularly visible from a metre away. Very nice indeed. Difficult to show you in the lighting here, but emerald black has a very slight hint of green to it. It's a lovely colour. Really, really nice. Your front camera look. Of course, it is a Quattro model. All A8s are. We'll show you inside. Got the power tailgate, good sized boot, all very clean, tidy, no really smells or anything like that. With your space saver spare wheel, a warning triangle up the top there. As I've mentioned already, we've got the Valcona leather. It is the diamond stitch version and it is perforated as well. Of course, we've got Isofix and centre armrest for your rear seat passengers, as well as the electric windows. In the front, they are the Comfort Sport seats, so full of adjustment. Even got the winged headrests, look, so no excuse for being uncomfortable. We've got the 3-spoke paddle shift steering wheel, folding mirrors, both front seats are memory, got the storage in the armrests, the Bose audio, the illuminated kick panels. This one's got the leather dash top, dual climate control with heated seats, etc. But let's just start her up so you can see there's no warnings. That door's open, I'll just close that. So there we go. You may or may not have noticed that it says we need a battery in the key. And that's alright, we keep those in stock, we'll get that changed. Everything else, all hunky-dory. With a mileage of 73,264. We've even got just over a quarter of a tank of diesel. We've got cruise control, electric steering column. As I've mentioned, your dual climate control with heated front seats. I'll just switch it off to save it blowing at us. We've got Audi Drive Select with the air suspension, which is all working perfectly well. There are no issues with that. Don't believe everything you read on the internet about that. It is a very reliable system. We've got DAB. Bit of signal here in the back room, we do struggle when we take the photos. We've got Bluetooth audio, jukebox, AMI, DVD, SD, etc. Navigation, all present and working. Of course, your Bluetooth telephone. And then we've also got, if I go back to that one. Exterior lighting, mood lighting interior. You can select your brightness and your colour profile. It's on polar at the minute. Ivory, polar, or ruby and polar. Rear suspension. Oh, there's no trailer, we'll just switch that off while we're there. But yeah, plenty of settings, plenty of features. Got your media in the middle there. Analog clock. Your cup holders with your cigarette lighter, which has never been used. Got the adjustable armrests with your media interface connection there as well. Can't remember how this works. There you go. So you can have low or high. That's about it. Nice car, drives without fault. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.